Hi, it's Rachel here. I'm back again with another journal flip through. This is another altered book that I bought from the antique market in Gambetta a couple of weeks ago. And I always try to find books mostly that have interesting covers with the beautiful papers. Again, this one, like my other one, I have just tied a ribbon so that when it bogs up you can tie it closed, and it's just slipped through my stitching, so it can be removed if you don't want it. So we'll just do a quick flip through. Oh my goodness, I just love that page. So this is some gorgeous Stamperia that's new in my local shop. Just a minute, I have to have a sip of coffee. Sorry about that, it's getting cold. Okay, so this is gorgeous Stamperia paper that I just love. I had to go back and buy some more because I love it so much. Some lovely washi tape, some images. Again, I didn't put a pocket here because I just love that image stuck there. But I did put a slip spot or tuck spot there. So we'll go through quickly. My normal combination, straw paper, by digital paper. This is the book, 1922. So I put a few pages in there because they were quite fragile. Now these pages here are from a French book, 1860. And I've altered that book, so I'll show that in another flip through. And I just love these gorgeous engravings that I came across the other day. Edith Holden. Again, lots of spaces for journaling and lots of floating sort of... Oh, this is from a vintage cookbook, Italian cookbook. Sorry, what was I saying? There's lots of floating ephemera to use to create more pockets or tuck spots or use as tags or whatever you like. So this is a bifold from Tsunami Rose that I've just clipped there. It is white on the other side. You could stitch that up and create a pocket out of it and then washi tape it in, or you could stitch on some coffee dyed or tea dyed paper, or even old book page, plain book page. If you wanted to use it as a journaling spot, you could attach photographs. There's so many possibilities with those. Gorgeous botanical image, one of my tags, pretty painting, the other side of that divine paper. Another engraving, some tags. This is Stamperia paper, Edith Holden. This is from this gorgeous French book that I have, has wonderful images in it. And then this is a scanned embroidery that I have, some handwriting. I think this was a science book, not sure, science notebook. Some tags, sort of taggy journaling cards, handwriting, calendar. The other side of the Stamperia paper, a Tsunami Rose. No, Artie Mays. I just attached that there if anyone wants to. You could stitch that onto something more rigid and use it as a journaling card. Another gorgeous image. Beautiful little journal card. So I think this one, I'm not sure what this paper is. This one is a scrapberry. This is one of my tags that I made with Artie Mays. Oops, I seem to be paper clipping my pages together. Pretty Tsunami Rose. I'll just put that back on there. Pretty Tsunami Rose. Another tag from Homestead Treasures. Book page. This is one of those book pages where on the other side it's upside down. It makes me laugh. Gorgeous little journal card. 1860 page. Oh, you wait till you see that, and it's got that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colour. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I just love it. I get more excited about the old plain book pages. Like this is old, but it's a more smooth sort of paper, whereas those really old ones, the 1800s papers, are very textural. Children's book. That's some art paper. Gorgeous detail. Oh, 1860s paper. You see, love that little tag, tuck spot. It's from the botanical book that typical plants in our area, and that's my phone making a noise. This is Tsunami Rose, and here we are at the back. And this is carta paglia straw paper envelope with a tag in it, and I put a pretty image and then one of my tags that I made, and that is the end of the book. So I hope everybody is well and you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.